time we're making spicy pumpkin soup, and that will take roughly 30 minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'd like to share with you another pumpkin recipe, as we wanted to use the leftover pumpkin from our last video. To make this pumpkin soup, we cut the pumpkin into thin slices, just so it cooks faster. When all the ingredients are ready, we start by adding oil to the pan. When the oil is hot, I add the sliced onions, and I cook until they're nicely caramelized to give the most flavor. When they're golden brown, we add crushed garlic and ginger. Then add 1 cup of celery and 1 cup of chopped carrots. And we saute this for a couple of minutes. Now add the sliced pumpkin, salt and pepper, and the curry powder. We give it a good stir. When everything is incorporated well, I add 250 ml of water. You can use 250 ml of vegetable stock. In that case, you won't need celery or carrots that we added earlier. After 15 minutes, it's time to blitz with a hand blender. You can use a smoothie maker if you don't have a hand blender. Trust me, this soup is so good, you will definitely enjoy and make it again in the future. I hope you'll try this recipe and share with your friends and family. And please let us know if you enjoyed it. 15 minutes of cooking already made the vegetables soft, and it's nicely blended into a creamy soup. Now you can serve it in a bowl with your favorite bread and garnish with some coriander, pumpkin seeds and some curry oil. I hope you make this recipe and share with your friends and family, and let us know if you enjoyed it. So, if you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, as we do make new video every week. I'll see you again in the next video.